Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Bitcoin drop 0.4% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the gold gain 0.8% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 1.3% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Crude oil prices rose for the fifth day. With Brent crude futures gaining 4.6% and MCX crude oil futures surging by 4.5%. The market remains bullish due to supply tightening and positive sentiment from the US Federal Reserve. The French finance minister pressed Chinese leaders to open their markets wider to foreign companies and lobbied for investment in France's electric car industry, as the EU's second-largest economy followed Washington in reviving post-COVID economic talks amid tension over Beijing's surging trade surpluses. The Japanese yen is on a bumpy path towards strengthening after central bank policy change, threatening to upend the carry trade, one of this year's most popular strategies, as the currency inevitably becomes more expensive.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Chicago Purchasing Managers Index will be released at 13:45 GMT. The US Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 14:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices at 0900 hours GMT. Italy's Gross Domestic Product will be released at 0800 hours GMT. Japan's unemployment rate at 2330 GMT. Japan's annualized housing starts at 0500 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.